This illustration now deals with lamp holders when you're installing them in accordance with Article 720, and the section here is NEC 720.5. Now again, you know, I was telling you when I was a small kid, about 6, 7 years old, out on the farm, we had these lamp holders and lamps were, you know, about 600 watt. And they were expensive for the time, but they would light up a room like you wouldn't believe. And you could buy those like in 200 watt, 300, 400, 500, 600, best I remember. Like today, you know, in times past, you could buy 600 watt, 75 watt, 100 watt, 150 watt, 200 watts, you know, incandescent lights. And you could take those 600 watt lamps and they'd almost heat up a room. They gave off a lot of heat. They gave off a light kind of similar to the sun. But notice here, these lamp holders could be at least 660 watt by section 720.5. And then notice the system is still less than 50 volts, and our system was batteries. Now, the wire is still number 12 by 720.4, and we're just reviewing how large the lamp holders could be. And they could be at least 660 watt, and then you had smaller lamp sizes put in if you didn't want the full 600 watt or 400 watt, you know, that you used to could purchase at the store. But back in those days, I remember Daddy going to the store, and he would usually keep at least one spare lamp for each room. That's about all we could afford. We was fortunate enough to have the DC system and have a DC radio. So this figure 4-11 is just illustrating the size of the lamp holders when we're installing and using them in accordance with Article 720, and we just reviewed NEC 720.5 dealing with lamp holders.